Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you perfect privacy fence for deck design ideas and tips, guide and budget-friendly options for outdoor deck fencing. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. We know that your deck is an extension of your living space, a place to relax and unwind. But sometimes, that relaxation can be hampered by a lack of privacy. Whether you have nosy neighbors or simply crave a secluded haven, a privacy fence can be the perfect solution. This comprehensive guide will delve into everything you need to know about privacy fences for your deck. We'll explore the benefits, design considerations, budget-friendly options, and even provide a list of top privacy fence ideas to inspire your outdoor oasis. A privacy fence for a deck is a structure specifically designed to block unwanted views and create a sense of seclusion in your outdoor space. It can be constructed from various materials like wood, vinyl, composite, or even living elements like plants. The height and style of the fence will depend on your desired level of privacy and aesthetic preferences. There are numerous advantages to incorporating a privacy fence into your deck design. Here are some key benefits to consider. First, enhanced privacy. The primary benefit is the creation of a secluded haven. A privacy fence blocks unwanted views from neighbors or passers-by, allowing you to relax and entertain in complete privacy. Second, reduced noise pollution. Fences can act as a sound barrier, muffling noises from traffic or neighboring properties, creating a more peaceful outdoor environment. Third, increased security. A fence can deter unwanted access to your deck and backyard, providing an added layer of security for your property. Fourth, improved aesthetics. Privacy fences can add a touch of style and definition to your deck. The right design can elevate the overall aesthetics of your outdoor space. Fifth, wind protection. Solid fences offer some wind protection, making your deck more enjoyable on windy days. Now that you understand the benefits, let's explore how to design your deck with a privacy fence that not only provides seclusion but also complements the overall aesthetic. Here are some key considerations. First, fence height. The height of your fence will determine the level of privacy you achieve. Consider local regulations and your desired level of seclusion when making this decision. Second, fence material. Choose a material that complements your deck's existing materials and your overall design style. Wood offers a classic look, while vinyl and composite are low-maintenance options. Third, fence style. There are various fence styles available, such as solid panels, horizontal slats, or lattice work. Pick a style that provides the desired level of privacy while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing look. Fourth, integration with existing features. Consider how the fence will integrate with existing features like railings, planters, or pergolas. Fifth, permit requirements. Check with your local authorities to determine if any permits are required for building a privacy fence. Creating a private oasis doesn't have to break the bank. Here are some tips for building a privacy fence on a budget. 1. Choose affordable materials. Consider using pressure-treated lumber or recycled materials. 2. DIY versus hiring a professional. If you're handy, tackle the project yourself. However, if not, consider getting quotes from several contractors. 3. Simple design. Opt for a simpler fence style that requires less materials and construction time. 4. Shop around. Compare prices at different lumberyards and fencing suppliers. To inspire your deck transformation, here are 10 stunning privacy fence ideas for your deck that will transform your outdoor space into a private oasis. 1. Horizontal slat fence in a modern finish. A horizontal slat fence with a modern finish adds a sleek and contemporary look to your deck. The clean lines and minimal design create a sense of openness while still providing privacy. You can choose from a variety of materials, such as wood, vinyl, or composite, to suit your style and budget. 2. Living wall fence. A living wall fence is a unique and eco-friendly way to add privacy to your deck. It's essentially a vertical garden that can be attached to your existing fence or built as a freestanding structure. This option provides privacy, improves air quality, and adds a touch of nature to your outdoor space. 3. Board and batten fence with a pop of color. A board and batten fence is a classic style that can be dressed up or down. By painting the battens or the vertical boards in a contrasting color, you can add a touch of personality and whimsy to your deck. This creates a visually interesting fence while providing complete privacy. 4. Privacy fence with built-in planters. A privacy fence with built-in planters is a great way to add both privacy and functionality to your deck. You can plant flowers, herbs, or even small vegetables in the planters, creating a beautiful and colorful focal point. 5. Metal fence with a modern design. A metal fence with a modern design can add a touch of sophistication to your deck. Metal fences are available in a variety of styles, from sleek and minimal to ornate and decorative. You can also choose from a variety of finishes, such as powder-coated black or galvanized steel. 6. Privacy screen with string lights. A privacy screen with string lights is a simple and affordable way to add privacy and ambience to your deck. You can find privacy screens made from a variety of materials, such as wood, vinyl, or fabric. String lights add a touch of magic and make your deck feel extra special at night. 7. Fence with a trellis for climbing plants. A fence with a trellis for climbing plants is a great way to add privacy and soften the look of your deck. Climbing plants, such as clematis, wisteria, or ivy, will grow up the trellis, creating a beautiful and natural screen. 8. Partially slatted fence with a fire pit area. A partially slatted fence with a fire pit area is a great way to create a separate space for entertaining on your deck. The slats will provide some privacy, while still allowing you to enjoy the view of your backyard. 9. Bamboo fence. A bamboo fence is a sustainable and exotic option for your deck. Bamboo is a fast-growing and renewable resource, and it has a natural beauty that can add a touch of the tropics to your outdoor space. 10. Privacy fence with a water feature. A privacy fence with a water feature is a luxurious and relaxing way to add privacy to your deck. The sound of running water will create a tranquil atmosphere, and the water feature will be a beautiful focal point. Your deck should be a sanctuary, a place to unwind and enjoy the outdoors in complete privacy. With the right privacy fence, you can transform your deck into a secluded haven, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Homes Decor Designs encourages you to explore the many possibilities and unleash your creativity when designing your privacy fence. Head over to our channel for more inspiring deck design ideas and expert tips to bring your dream outdoor space to life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest design trends and DIY tutorials. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.